A feedback mechanism is a biological process where the output of a system loops back to influence further activity. Two flavors. Negative feedback reverses a change to maintain a set point. Positive feedback amplifies a change to drive a process to completion. Most feedback in the body is negative because cells need stable conditions to survive. Every feedback loop has the same 5 parts. Memorize them in order. 1. Stimulus, the change that triggers the loop. 2. Sensor, detects the change. 3. Control center, processes the information, often the hypothalamus. 4. Effector, carries out the response. 5. Response, reverses or amplifies the stimulus. AP graders want all 5 named on every FRQ. Negative feedback maintains homeostasis. When blood glucose spikes after a meal, beta cells in the pancreas release insulin. Insulin tells body cells to absorb glucose and the liver to store glycogen. Glucose drops back towards 70 to 110 milligrams per deciliter. When glucose drops too low, alpha cells release glucagon, and the liver breaks down glycogen to raise blood sugar. Same logic powers thermoregulation, the thyroid axis, and cortisol control. Negative does not mean bad. It just means opposing the change. Positive feedback amplifies the stimulus until a job finishes. The classic example is childbirth. The fetal head stretches the cervix. The hypothalamus and pituitary release oxytocin. Oxytocin causes stronger contractions, which stretch the cervix more, which releases more oxytocin. The loop only ends when the baby is delivered. Other examples: blood clotting cascade, milk letdown during nursing, the rising phase of action potentials, and fruit ripening through ethylene. 5-second test. Does the response oppose or amplify the stimulus? Opposes equals negative. Amplifies equals positive. Negative is common because biology rewards stability. Positive is rare because runaway amplification is dangerous unless the process has a clear endpoint. When feedback breaks, disease follows. Type 1 diabetes is broken insulin feedback. Hyperthyroidism is broken thyroid feedback. Cushing syndrome is broken cortisol feedback.
The link below has 22 flashcards and 16 AP-style practice questions on feedback mechanisms. They're built to help you ace the AP exam. Try them. Subscribe for new AP videos every week.